And the Mini 11 is frozen again. It usually stops at this exact same number, 253 seconds. I don't know if that's how long it takes to get overheated, but when I come back and land, I go to stop it and it won't stop. You can see the light still blinking here. It's just froze. So you gotta push this down 10 seconds. I don't know, is that 10 seconds? That's 5 seconds, it turned off. Okay, it's repairing my file. Thank you, GoPro. Thank you for fixing the file that you fucked up, dumbass. I would say this issue is worse on the new GoPro 11 Mini. I haven't tried the full-size 11. I had this issue quite a bit on the original Hero 10 and the Hero 9, but you can just pop the battery out and back in to quickly fix it. You didn't have to like hold the button down for 10 seconds, but this shit's annoying. It typically happened to me about 3 times a day right now with the Mini 11. Yay! It finished. Will you record now? Yeah, back to normal. Here we go again.